Today, we're continuing our journey of dispelling design myths. Design myth number 2, different prints don't mix well. The truth is you can do all kinds of things with different patterns and prints and find that they all like being together. So let's try it out. In this bedroom, we'll show how our bedding choices illustrate how several prints can work really well together. But there's a couple tips that make it work. We chose bedding with a singular and bold pattern as opposed to a smaller, busier pattern. This makes it easy for the bedding to balance all kinds of prints. On our accent chest, we're still getting creative with another pattern and texture. The rug adds more interest, and the blue in the rug leads to the blue in the chairs and the artwork. Different shapes and different moods all come together where you least expect it. Mess around with it in your home. If you think it doesn't go together, think again. You'll be surprised what works.